Okay, so if I show you this, price is what? Bearish. Okay, so we're looking for shorts. You see price opening right here, Frankfurt open, it's going down, you have your order block, place yourself here, boom. When it's order block, you already got trapped, you're already taken out, and this is the session, the lunch trap timing session, which is basically the hour before New York Open, which I teach my guys to not trade this, because this session is usually trapped. So you got fuck right here, maybe you think this is a change of character, and you try to long it here. Get fucked again. Alright, so price going down, you try some aggressive order block, or intermediate as you can say. You try here, you get fucked as you can see. Okay, so you're seeing this internal breaks of structure, you try to long it here, you get some, and you're out. Maybe you were looking to take this order block, the initial one from the movement, and you're also out. So now you're like, what the fuck? Everything's against me. Well, you're not trading with the liquidity. Imagine if you were trading with the liquidity, and instead of trading the order blocks, as these are smart money traps, you just trade after it. So as soon as you take this liquidity, you just try to short it here and get this movement. As soon as you take this, you can take some movement here. As soon as you take this, you can get to place yourself here. As soon as you take this liquidity, which is Asia liquidity, alright, and the inducement and the mitigation of the order block right here, you can look to long. As soon as you can take all this resistance out and this previous daily high, well, it's not previous daily high, but it's a significant high of the day, because otherwise they're just Asia in this sense, but it's not really clear. It would be most likely this one. You would take this in a perfect timing, 4 p.m. in New York session, and you could look to short again. Just some small little movement, but this small little movement can give you a break even if you're wrong. And this is how you want to be trading, is with liquidity. It's by avoiding smart money traps and by avoiding the logic of trading like this, like seeing market go down and just keeping to trade order blocks like this, because this will not happen most of the times, because you and me know, again, you just need to open your journal and you'll see that what actually happened is this. Take this smart money traders out. Now this has become a bullish order block for them. Okay, they're out right here, and now they think we're actually bullish because we broke this. They'll try to long it here and also get trapped, and this is what I call the MSU cycle. Right, we were on a downtrend, we took some inducement out, some high that's not really valid because it didn't took any liquidity out. This one has taken because people are looking to short on this order block, and then we deliver the real move after we take people out. And as we take people out right here, people are seeing this low break, thinking it's a break of structure, and putting their order block, which is another smart money trap on the short, smart money trap on the longs, and you got your MSU cycle. And what I do in these cases is I would short here after you get some internal break of structure, and I'll ride this to the downside. All right, and I know that at least here I can get my trade, my win or my break even if I'm right, because here people need to get trapped. I'm with the trend and I'm with the MSU cycle, because people need to get trapped in here. because they saw this little change of character, which isn't a change of character, it's just a liquidity. Price is still gonna head down. They just changed the bias, even though they were correct all along in the first place. We can look at the markets all day you want. I've already detailed this one. There's not much, but what else, boys? Price going down right here, boom. You see it here, it worked, but not for the people that's trading intermittently. Again, you can also say, but this is really for the newbies, because smart money trading has become so basic that they just see the market like this, like wait, like bullish order flow, so let's long it here. Some reaction, of course, but boom, you got the real movement. And this whole movement is not by luck, guys. This massive downtrend, it's all to take people out. It's what I call a sell to buy. On high time frames, you see a massive candle. All right, it's just to take people out. This is to take people out. All right, we know the liquidity, how the liquidity are. This is to take people out. But how do you know when the liquidity will be? Well, you need to know where the smart money traders will place themselves. Where will be the trap? This one's a good example. We're coming up, we're testing this, right? But price giving a lot of traps right here. Like we were going up, testing, breaking structure right here, but price decided to come once again and then deliver the correct move to the downside. But it's just with experience. And while I was doing that, created a trend line. Again, price will tell you everything you need to know. Broke the inducement right here, but before we gotta do the MSU. We gotta trap smart money traders. Because right now, most of the times, when you see some liquidity get taken, price will not just take the liquidity and go straight down. Nah, price will take the liquidity, give you some internal breaker structure, and break it once again. Break the high that just broke the liquidity, just to take people out, just to take the smart money traders out. Because it has become too easy. Like it has become to the point where we all know, like these smart money traders, they know as well. They think they're smarter than support and resistance traders because they're technically thinking they're trading with liquidity and stuff. Because they'll see some resistance, boom, all right. Support and resistance traders out, break a structure, all right. Short right here at this order block, some reaction, and boom, they're out. And once they're out, and I get my breaker structure, the real one, I'm going to be placing myself. And then you'll see that the real move will happen. You can check my trades on the Discord. It's always like this. Well, most of the time is. Sometimes you gotta give the fish a little food for him to believe that this strategy still works. Most of the time, I can tell you boys, this chart is full of traps. It might not seem like it because it's in the past, but that's the truth. Like here, to calculate liquidity, this wick looks super nice, and we break a structure here, but price still bullish. Price still bullish. We're texting this, but it's giving this trend line. You were right all along. It's just that you didn't place at the correct high that will deliver the whole move. Again, but this one is too advanced. But yeah, boys, this is a shitty price action though. Oh, I got this from another video, but it's kind of the same thing, boys. Look at this. Where's the market structure around here? Because you can short it here and kind of be fucked, because like maybe you get out break even, because price will tag you in, go down, go up again, go down, go up again. It's a messy thing. Or you can try to long it here, maybe get out probably with spreads, go up, try to long it again, goes in your favor, goes against you, or short it here, goes against you. Boys, it's a messy thing. Here you got taken out for long in. It's a messy thing. It's a messy thing. Here, what do you do in this situation? Where's the market structure? I mean, you could argue it's moving like this. How will you judge it? Because maybe you will see this, call the tops, try to short it here. When we took this liquidity out, and this was the valid one. And then again, smart money traders are seeing this massive ass drop. They are of course gonna try to short it here. If you want to know where is the smart money traps at, just think what's basic. If it looks so basic, it's most likely a trap, and that's how you identify it. And if you do really become a master at spotting smart money traps, you avoid so much trap, guys. You avoid so much losing. It will be such a benefit to your trading.